in this short clip, we want to show you some exercises that will create the hip mobility that you need to squat like the favorite toddler in your life that sits in a squat for hours. We want to maintain that and keep that for as long as possible. If you've lost that hip mobility, it is possible to get it back. So first things first, you're gonna do a test. First thing we want to do is just kind of check in how is our hip mobility? What does the squat feel like? So just take your arms up and you're going to send your hips for the ground, send your knees over your toes, and just see how far you can get. This is kind of our test. Where do we begin? And then we want to decide, is it strength or mobility that's the problem? So say you did that first squat and you couldn't get all the way down. Grab something to hang on to, a chair, a sturdy counter, a table, and you want to hang with your arms and see if you can get further when you have that added benefit of being able to pull yourself up with your arms. And then it's time for the mobility exercises. First, you're going to lie on your back, pull your knees towards your chest, reach your hands up and grab the outside of your feet. So your arm is going on the inside of your leg, then your arm crosses your shin and you grab the outside of your foot. Then you're going to take one leg, same position, the arm crosses through, and you grab the outside of one leg, and your other arm and leg lengthen out long above and below. And then you start sliding your arm and leg away from you and then across your midline until you roll over. And then you'll roll back to your back and roll over to the other side. The goal of this rolling is to be as slow and controlled as possible all the way through the movement. The next step is to check in with your ankles. It might be ankle mobility that is also hard for your squat. So if you find a blanket or a towel and fold it up so it's about 2 inches thick, put your heels on the towel and your toes on the ground. Then you're going to rock forward onto your hands and knees. Then push into your hands and reach your heels back for that towel. And then the fun part, whether it happens within the moment or the next time you try this series, you're going to unfold the towel so that you have less help and try again. So ease in getting up and down off the floor is our goal, and the squat is an efficient way to find that. So I hope you enjoy these.
Thanks for watching. In addition to tips like these, we also upload full classes every Monday. If you're interested in taking more classes or even joining us live, click subscribe below for an exclusive offer.